Hello and welcome to TechMac. Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for latest notifications. Today we are going to install Elementary OS in VirtualBox. So basically Elementary OS is a Linux distribution whose graphical user interface is much more similar to the MacOS. So let's get started. So here's the file which you have to extract. Just right click on it and extract here. So here is the VDI file or virtual disk image which we are going to use to install the Elementary OS in VirtualBox. Now open the VirtualBox, create a new machine, select the Linux and other Linux x64. Name your machine. And click next. Now select the RAM size. I am going to set 2 GB and now import the VDI or virtual disk image of the Elementary OS. Here is our VDI file. Now choose it and click create. Now start the machine. Here our Elementary OS is started. Type the password same as the username. Here we are in the desktop of Elementary OS and our installation is complete. Here are all the features. These are all the applications. These are settings. Here are all the system settings which you can customize as per your requirement. Here volume control. It's showing 15 updates are available. If you want you can install. It's the notification panel. And we are done here. Thank you for watching. Like, comment and share. And don't forget to subscribe our channel.